Welcome back to Life Catch. Today, we have 10 fascinating psychological tricks that actually work. These tips will help you navigate situations, understand human behavior, and improve your everyday life. Let's dive right in. Number 1, the power of mirroring. One of the most powerful psychological tricks is mirroring. It's a subtle way of building rapport with someone by mimicking their body language, gestures, or tone of voice. People feel more connected and comfortable around those who mirror them. So, next time you're in a conversation, try mirroring the other person's actions, but remember to keep it natural. Number 2, the halo effect. The halo effect is an interesting phenomenon where we tend to associate positive qualities with someone based on one outstanding trait. For example, if someone is attractive or successful, we automatically assume they have other positive attributes too. Understanding the halo effect can help you make a great first impression and enhance your overall appeal. Number 3, the Zeigarnik Effect. Have you ever noticed how unfinished tasks linger in your mind, causing a bit of anxiety? That's the Zeigarnik Effect in action. This psychological trick shows that incomplete tasks create a mental tension, making you more likely to remember and complete them. Utilize this to boost productivity by breaking tasks into smaller, achievable steps. Number 4, the door-in-the-face technique. The door-in-the-face technique is a classic persuasion strategy. Start by making a larger, unreasonable request which will likely get rejected. Then follow it up with the actual request, which is what you wanted all along. The contrast between the two requests increases the chances of the second, smaller request being accepted. Number 5, use the power of scarcity. Scarcity is a powerful motivator. When something is limited or in short supply, we tend to perceive it as more valuable. Companies often use this trick by offering limited time deals, or while supplies last offers. Understand this concept and use it strategically to make your offers and ideas more appealing. Number 6, the Primacy and Recency Effect. Our memory is influenced by the order of information we receive. The Primacy Effect refers to remembering items presented at the beginning, while the Recency Effect relates to remembering items presented at the end when giving a presentation or an important talk. Put your key points at the beginning and end to ensure better retention. Number 7, anchoring bias. Anchoring bias is a cognitive bias where we rely heavily on the first piece of information we receive when making decisions. When negotiating, always start with an ambitious but reasonable offer to set the anchor in your favor. This will influence the rest of the negotiation process. Number 8, use the power of silence. Silence can be a potent communication tool. During conversations or negotiations, allow moments of silence after making important points. This creates an opportunity for the other person to reflect and respond, often leading to more favorable outcomes. Number 9, the Benjamin Franklin Effect. According to this psychological trick, if you want someone to like you, ask them for a small favor. When people do a favor for someone, they rationalize that they must like that person. So, seeking small favors can help strengthen your relationships and build connections. Number 10, the power of visualization. Visualization is a technique used by athletes, performers, and successful individuals to achieve their goals. When you vividly imagine yourself accomplishing something, your brain becomes more attuned to making it a reality. Practice visualization regularly to boost your confidence and motivation. Congratulations! You've just unlocked 10 powerful psychological tricks that can genuinely work wonders in every aspect of your life. Always remember to utilize these tools responsibly and ethically, using them to enrich your interactions and deepen your understanding of others.